Hey everybody, it's Roland the Real from Complete Trader Academy with another daily review, US 30. Today is October 6th, 2022. Today is Thursday. All right, so let's jump right into it. As we said yesterday, I literally mentioned yesterday that the price would come down and probably retest this level. All right, so in between here, we had a daily imbalance from the previous day. So this is today's candle. This is today's candle after 6 p.m. Eastern Time, New York. And that's what price did. Price fake rallied up, came back into this daily imbalance that's sitting here, came down, took out this low, got into this imbalance. So that was the objective. Or, I mean, it could have went up and kept going up for higher objectives. So when I say that there's prices either going to come down or up, the price can either go up or down. I don't care if you're a guru, you've been in the business for 50 years, it doesn't matter. The price can do whatever it wants and it can go up or it can go down. So you have to be swift with decisions in price action and determining, if you're going to buy or sell. So, but yesterday I had a very good idea that it was going to come down and take out this low to come into this imbalance, right? If I saw price started to rally up, then I would be looking for buys and holding. If I was to take buys, well, let me go on a smaller time frame so you can see. So this is the daily chart. Let's go into a 15, or actually I'm just going to go right into a 5, to be honest. I'm going to go into a 5-minute chart, easier to see, sort of. All right, so that's today's opening. So price rallied up, failed to take out this high, all right, because that's generally what I thought would have happened. It didn't. So once it failed, that's a failure swing, and then it broke here. That once it broke here, this gave me the inkling or the idea that it was going to come and take out the objective down here, which is the daily imbalance here, to take out that low. So broke down here, came back up, never broke this high, right? So failure again, broke. Once you saw that, see this right here? Once you saw that big candle drop like that, that's a red flag, right? So broke here, came back up. You can call that a retest. Left this imbalance, so we might see price hit that later, eventually. But in general, broke. So you got multiple breaks happening. This is a big red flag that, or a big obvious direction of price, right? So break, retest, support, break, retest, then resistance, break. So here, if this was going to be a bullish day, we're looking for where is price going to turn around. Okay, so we had this demand block here. See this demand block from here down. I knew price was going to come down and hit this. It literally hit it. And when you saw these candles kind of acting as support, showing, I mean, this is a high probability area of taking a buy. So, boom. From here, that's from the level 30.069 to 30.344. I mean, that's like 300 and 35 pips, right? That's a lot. Points, I'm sorry. 335 points. That's a lot. So that's a great, you would have been done for the week even if you wanted to be. So that's a good move. Then the price came down here and it came into this block. And what did it do? It rallied up. That was another, look, 30,000 so that's to 233. So that's 200 and some points right there. And that's another or in general, you should have been looking for sells. And what did price do? See this right here? This was a nice entry because price rallied up. If this was a bearish day and our intention was to take out this, because we knew it wasn't taking this, so we were coming back into that daily imbalance. This is where the price was going to go. So if we were looking for a sell, we're looking for a retrace from here to here, came into this supply block, tapped it, and ran. Why here? Well, it's a supply block, number one. It is support turn resistance. And then there's liquidity sitting above here from people who are selling for this move. So another high probability area. So hopefully you're starting to kind of get the idea of how price moves and what it's looking for, right? So you would have caught this here. That's 33.33 down to 29.870. I mean, that's like 460 points if you held. Right? And then the day closed. So gold was actually taking out this low and getting into the imbalance that we've marked up. See, in between here. So, all right. I hope this helped. Take care. As far as tomorrow goes, I know I usually like to tell you what I think tomorrow is going to happen. Sorry, I just came back from Fort Myers volunteering to help those people that were a victim of the hurricane. It was crazy. I'm exhausted. It's late, and I'm surprised I even did this, but I do it for y'all. So I think price can keep coming down, feeling more of this, getting into this break here, filling in this area. I feel like there's a little bit of a gap here, so I could see that and then kind of retrace up. Or we might just keep coming down to take the lows. So you're going to know as price action is happening in the day. So I need more data. But those are obviously the two. I know you're saying, oh, either up or down. But I mean, hey, the price could either do one of those. So at least I know where it's going, when it's going. So, and if it gets there, when to take it and how to take it. So, all right. Anyways, take care. God bless.